idiot doing Instagram controls my life for 24 hours. तो मैं अभी उठी हूँ and it is not morning. या बस इतना ही. तो मेरा पहला पोल मैंने ऑलरेडी डाल दिया है on the outfit I'm going to wear today because we are going out. This is going to be more interesting. The options are sweater top with light blue jeans and rings, or a black top with dark jeans and a watch. That though I'm going to wear anyway, and that also I'm going to wear anyway. But the options about the outfits are against these two. और मुझे ये पहनना है पर्सनली क्योंकि I want to stay warm and nice and comfy, whereas this is more of stylish but ठंडी लग सकती है. तो इन दोनों में से चॉइस है. I want that to happen, but let's see. Let's wait for people to answer and then we'll do as they say. तो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा क्लोज मैच है हम दोनों आउटफिट्स के, क्योंकि it's like 47% and 53% and the people, मतलब number of people who have voted is like 72 and 63. तो like that's pretty close, क्योंकि usually मेरा क्या होता है 100 and something and 30 something होता है. I'm like okay cool, you know, it's a clear winner. इधर clear winner अभी तक है नहीं. So we wait until there's a clear winner and yeah. So we've gotten a clear winner. It is the black outfit. I don't know if I'm happy or sad. Somewhere I really wanted to wear the white one, but we'll just go with what you guys want, because that's the whole point of today. I do what you say. So let's get changed. Guys, मैंने बोला था हम बाहर आएंगे, तो मैं जा रही हूँ and I'm going to give my next option on Instagram once I reach there, because we're going to eat food. तो yeah. Hi guys, तो अभी मैं Instagram में पोल डालने वाली हूँ. What am I supposed to eat for today? पिज़्ज़ा और पास्ता. Let's go. इस पोल में पिज़्ज़ा जीत गया, so we have pizza right there. You all chose churros. मैंने डेजर्ट के लिए पोल डाला था croissant या churros and you guys chose churros. Sadly मैंने बहुत जल्दी खा लिया and I couldn't film it, but there's a quick boomerang. Okay, this is so awkward. Okay.
Exactly, you should feel judged right now.
What?
You should feel judged.
I already am feeling judged. Anyway, yeah, I really enjoyed. Hey guys, तो मॉल से निकल गए हैं. Now we are listening to songs and we are heading back home. इधर कोई options की कोई बात नहीं है, क्योंकि इधर कोई options की बात नहीं है, क्योंकि literally I have to walk back home. Yeah, there's nothing I could ask on Instagram. पर घर जाके we make more polls and see what people want me to do. Chalo, I can't talk. I can't breathe actually, so I'll talk to you guys later. I'm home after a very very long and fun day with my friends. हम आ गए हैं घर. Now the other thing I could possibly ask them to choose for me is what I'm going to wear at home. So I'm going to give two options and let's make this fun. Something comfy and something uncomfy this time, you know, something that I'm not comfortable wearing, because if they choose that, obviously I'm going to like cry. I don't know. Yeah, so let's choose something. I really don't know what options can I give. I'm gonna find something out. Two options are ready. And I really want to wear the hoodie, क्योंकि पहले तो थोड़ी सी ठंडी है. Number two, मुझे बहुत hoodie पहनने का मन हो रहा है. And the second option is something I've worn a billion times. Like I want this top about a billion times. I want this pant with it a billion times. मुझे नहीं पहनना है ये. I'm not in a yellow mood today. मुझे hoodie ही पहनना है. I don't know if you guys don't choose the hoodie, what I'm gonna do, but I really want to choose the hoodie. Okay, we're gonna put a poll and it literally depends on whatever wins. Okay, we're gonna be honest here. Let's go. ये दो है मेरे options. I really don't want that to happen because I've worn it so many times. I really want to wear this hoodie. This is given by Krishu and I really want to wear it and I don't know. If they don't choose it, what will I do, man? So we're going to make it look more pretty क्योंकि picture लेना है. ये handshake कर लो. Okay. Well, literally fingers crossed. I really want to wear hoodie. और अगर hoodie नहीं आएगा, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really want hoodie. I really want hoodie, guys. Please hoodie के लिए vote करो. Please hoodie के लिए vote करो. I'm freaking out. Okay, need to calm down. I'm going through a very dramatic phase right now क्योंकि literally मतलब 2-3 votes की वजह से ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है and people are going with yellow sometimes, hoodie sometimes, hoodie. I really want to wear the hoodie, guys. Okay, I'm gonna wait until the hoodie. No, I can't do that. Okay, time limit. Let's see कितने बज रहे हैं अभी. So it's 9:15-ish about. By 9:20 I'm going to change and 9:20 में जो भी winner होगा, that's what I'm gonna wear. Without crying. मुझे hoodie पहननी इतनी. It's not a huge difference, but whatever it is, hoodie has won. I'm gonna wear my hoodie and I'm gonna stay comfy for the rest of the day. I'm so happy you guys chose hoodie. I love you guys. I literally love you guys. Next poll is, do your homework or take some rest. Let's go. Tell you how happy I am that you lovely people chose hoodie. I don't know how it's going right now, कहाँ तक पहुँचा है percentages, but at 9:20, hoodie was winning with I think 52%. I don't know. Anyway, I have already changed, so I'm not getting back into anything else. My options मैंने क्या दिया था? Study now or take a 15-minute break. तो मैंने ये I don't know what I said in the last video, but I'm saying 15-minute break इसलिए क्योंकि पढ़ना तो मेरे को पड़ेगा ही and yeah, तो right now or after 15 minutes, this is what you guys are going to decide. And I would love a break, but आप लोग अभी तक बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो. Last few things that you have chosen are the things I really wanted to happen. Hoodie, churros and pizza. I really wanted to have pizza and I got pizza. And Capri wise pehla wala, you guys got something that I didn't want, and abhi you got what I wanted to wear, so I'm really happy. और अभी मुझे 15 minutes break चाहिए, तो let's see what you guys choose for me. Let's go. So guys, you guys have been really sweet to me and you have all allowed me to take a 15-minute break. So here is where I'm going to end this whole vlog / Instagram decides my day. And I'm really happy that I got to wear my hoodie. And all I can say is thank you for the day. I have really enjoyed it. And I hope हम ऐसे बहुत सारे करें. नेक्स्ट वीडियो आप लोग को ऑलमोस्ट पता ही होगा क्योंकि मेरे इंस्टाग्राम में बहुत क्लियरली बताया गया था कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो क्या है. बट इफ़ यू गाइस डोंट नो, इट इज़ ए Q&A. और आपके सारे क्वेश्चंस जो आपने मुझे पूछे थे इंस्टाग्राम में वो सारे मैं आंसर करूँगी. नॉट सारे, लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ देम. इफ़ यू हैव मिस्ड आउट, लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो, तो मैं वापस अपनी स्टोरी में डालूँगी सो दैट यू ऑल कुड ask your questions and I could answer. So yeah, I love you. Mwah. Don't forget to smile.